Come test drive the 2025 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, LED headlights, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.